Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Sami and you are watching Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Dear friends, in this video lecture today I am going to discuss about plinth beam and also why we provide plastic in the basement of this project, and you will also learn that what is the clear distance between two RCC column in this video. Let's start that what's the reason to provide plastic in the basement of this project, and also distance between two RCC column, clear distance. Okay, let's start. Okay guys, as you can see, we provide plastic at the basement of this project. So what's the reason that we provide plastic? Remember guys, at the basement we must be provide plastic, okay, at the bottom of the RCC slab. Okay, we will provide here RCC slab for this beam. So you can see it's also called Raft foundation. It's also called Raft foundation, which we provided here. So plastic is used to protect it from seepage. Okay, so it will not making any problem. Okay, so it will become like waterproof. Okay, so it will not make any seepage for our building. Okay, so for that reason we provide here plastic. Okay, so you can see him, he is marking for steels. Okay guys, as you can see, we provide the longitudinal bars here, okay, for this project, and after that we will provide other steel bars from that point, so it will become like this. Okay, like this, just by 6 inches. Okay, center to center distance between two steel bars should be here 6 by 6 inches, and it's special design for basement. Okay, so that free space, it should be also we will provide there plastic. The plastic will be provided. So after the plastic we will provide the steel bars, and also those beams which you are watching here in this video, it will become down like this. Okay, in this excavation.